Natural gas back to the bullish path yet again, and we have seen it closing at the highs at 3.7 here. Yes, I've been discussing this that one has to stay bullish in natural gas. Do watch the monthly and weekly reviews. I've been telling this that natural gas is going to deliver a massive rise here, and now it is closed at the top here at 3.7, hitting the support here at 3.24, 3.3. Now, what to expect from gas? Can we expect a breakout candle here? Is it going to trade beyond 4? I've been waiting for 4.4 here very soon, but and yes, it is consolidated here as well. So can we expect a breakout here? Let's see. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find at the levels where you can take a trade and trade with profits. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for natural gas with precise levels. Just subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. If you're new to the channel, do not miss to watch the twice a day updates. That will be a recommendation from my side. Let's start. And towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the levels, so do watch till. Now, look, I've been recommending a buy here in natural gas since it was at 2.5, 2.6 zone. I have mentioned that it has formed a double bottom. It is looking forward to a rise, and in last few weeks, what we had seen, it has reached $4 levels. Now, notice what has happened in the last few weeks. The last to last week was very important, where it has hit the highs and the lows at the same time. And the coming week, see, first base is now created here at 2.94 and $3 levels, and now the next base is created at 3.24 and 3.3 zone. I think these levels are going to remain important, and I see that possibly natural gas in the coming week might deliver a breakout here. Yes, it can again trade about $4 levels. Look at the moving averages. These have crossed over and these are trading with divergence and bullishness, and thus in the near term it appears that it is going to be very difficult for natural gas to break below $3 levels any point of time soon. When I say any point of time soon, I do not see it breaking below these levels in the near term. So yes, you have to be very careful here with the trades, because now it is leaving the zone here, and once it starts to leave the zone, it is definitely going to deliver massive moves here. Look for the last multiple weeks, look at this rally, and since then it is just delivering the swings here. I will show you something on the daily charts. It will be very clear. On the weekly charts also, you can see this rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. And now it is waiting for it to break beyond the channel. And once it leaves the channel, it is going to deliver a massive move here. This is something on the weekly chart. See, the stochastic is flat. The MACD is rising, and MACD has lot much of room available on the upside for natural gas. Look at this slump and look at the rise. It is slowly and gradually approaching towards the peak here, which means in the near term, natural gas have the highs which you cannot expect, or you're not willing to look at $6 or $8 levels very soon. Possibility is there. RSI is also looking upwards, and after consolidation here, it is waiting for a breakout which is going to take it towards the overbought zone very soon. Look at the daily chart. On the daily charts here, moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness, and the 20-50 period moving average is just providing a very good support here. Now, see this on the daily charts. What I was trying to show here is this is the time when I formed that it is a double bottom. First, it will strike towards double top, and once it leaves out of this double top zone, this is a breakout. And since then, we are staying bullish on natural gas. In fact, from these levels 2.6, we are staying bullish on natural gas. Now, see what has happened since then. Rise, retracement. So this is the beauty of nat gas. Every time it delivers a massive move, it follows with a retracement. And now the 20-50 period moving average, like always, is a very good support, and that is what makes 3.2, 3.3 zone as a very good support. In fact, now 3.4 is also included here. Now what it is trying to do, notice the peaks here, connect the lows here, nothing doing, just connect the highs and the lows. You can notice it is trading in this way, and it is aspiring to move towards the top. Now the top is towards 4.2, and then in fact beyond this, I'll be looking at 4.4, 4.5 zone. I'll show you something on the monthly chart. Why 4.4, 4.5 has to be there? Now notice here, consolidation is done. It is waiting for a breakout. I'll wait for it to stay above 3.7, 3.72, and then that first target is going to be towards 3. And beyond 3.9, again 4.02 and 4.2 levels will. On the weekly basis, it is achievable. Stochastic rising here. The MACD again on the daily charts have retraced. It is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can lead to a stronger rally here. Yes, after a rise, it is traded with the swings, waiting for a breakout. This breakout can deliver a massive rise here. RSI again looking upwards. Now look at the monthly charts. There was one comment in particular when I mentioned that natural gas is going to go above $4 levels, and he said, "You'll just obey my analysis if the natural gas breaks beyond 4 in the month of January." And yes, you can see this what it is doing. It has formed higher lows and ready to move towards higher highs. Doesn't it appear so? It looks so good to see this, because see, now the lows are beautifully aligned, and this is going to be the third green candle. Also, it has formed a double bottom and a support here, and with that as support, it is trying to rise high, and the highs now are at 4.2 and 4.4 levels. Possibilities there. This is natural gas. Once it starts to deliver what we had seen towards the first trading session last to last week, 20% rise. We have seen a 20% rise in a single day, and thus you have to watch out. It is ready for one such move. So from $4 levels, if it delivers a 20%, it is at 4.4. Now also see, now natural gas is going to go increasingly bullish. See, there was increasing bearishness, and now this is going to go increasingly bullish, where it is not going to take much time to cover the distance. Previously, the base was low. Now, from 2 to 2.2, we used to see it is hardly a movement, but when you see it in a percentage terms, it's a 10% rise. And now from 4 to 10% rise is 4.4. And from 4.4, if you take 20% rise, it is almost 5.5. So yes, this is how you should see, now the movement is going to be exponential. Moving averages have started to converge. Stochastic rising. Look at MACD. Years of bearishness, 2 to 3 years, it is stayed bearish. It is crossed over. At this point, I've mentioned it's a crossover. Natural gas is gonna stay bullish for the near term. And what it has done, it is now looking upwards. It appears that it can deliver a rally like this. And even if it stays half of it, we can see the price is moving beyond 6 or 8. RSI rising, which is again a very, very, very good sign for the bulls. Coming to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, the crossover in the moving average is bullish here. Only worry point here is the last two candles with diminishing body size, though higher lows are seen and higher highs are seen. I will wait for net gas to now trade about 3.7, 3.72 zone, and beyond this, you can expect 3.8 as the first target, 3.84 is the next, and 3.8486 is going to be one key resistance. Beyond 3.8486, 3.9, and then $4 levels should be there again back to. Yes, and now look at the channel in which it is trading. This is the channel. The lows of this channel now lies at around 3.5, 3.4 zone, which should not be breached any point of time soon. Stochastic back to overbought. The MACD rising after hitting the lows, and it appears it can continue to do so. RSI rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy at 3.7.72 zone. This is the first resistance zone. Beyond this, I will expect the next targets are going to be towards 3.78, 3.8. This is achievable here. And then once it breaks beyond this, stay bullish. You are looking forward to 3.85. Beyond 3.85, the next targets are towards 3.9. Now breaking beyond 3.9, stay bullish 4.02, the first target zone. And then this time we are looking forward to 4.1, and in fact 4.175 levels. Any move beyond this in the near term, when I say near term, it is not necessary and mandatory that it is going to achieve in a week or so, but yes, beyond 4.2, we are looking forward to 4.4 levels very, very, very soon, which is a gap filling exercise it must do. On the down, Now see, the support levels are very strong on the downside. I'll recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 3.64. And see, these are going to be very very nearby supports here, 3.6, 3.56. And then if it drops below 3.656, you can expect 3.51. Below 3.51 is where you can expect slight more bearishness. And if this is taken, then you can say now the bears are back. Now it is going to turn bearish here. We can look forward to 3.4, the first support zone, 3.34 the next. This is also one of the critical support here. And then 3.3, 3.26. Any drop below this is a sign of reversal, is a sign of bearishness towards 3.1 and $3 levels. Chances for which appears to be negligible if you consider my opinion. I think now $3 levels is appears to be a history for the near term. It may take a lot much more time for it to come back towards $3 levels. So be mindful of this. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy profitable week ahead. Thank you.